Cue the music.
I'm not some Hollywood director that decided to jump on the comic book bandwagon. I'm a pretty hardcore fan, 400 a month habit. Deadpool is a very grounded comic book hero. He lives in a apartment and he deals with people, and his life is not filled with chrome and fast jets and everything else. In fact, I think it's kind of the perfect contrast to the shinier sides of the Marvel Universe.
We can make you better, make you a superhero.
As a visual artist and someone who loves beautiful art and well-written stories and characters that you care about, it's kind of the perfect combination of all of those things. Plus, I'm kind of a sucker for a hero's journey. Comic books is sort of the perfect medium for epic storytelling. And IMAX is all about epic film presentation. So you bring those two things together and you got epic squared. It's a great way to see them come to life.
Wait! You may be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me bleed. This guy's got the right idea. He wore the brown pants.
I couldn't be more proud of the work that everybody put into it. It's a great honor to do a movie and to have millions of people around the world see it, but to see it in an IMAX, which is this premiere format, it just doesn't get any better than that.
Oh, I am very turned on right now.